Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, I don't know about you, but campfire season is my favorite time of year. And so I love this campfire ring from TBMLC. This ring is huge. It is 5 feet across, so perfect for a nice big bonfire. It's really well made, nice and sturdy. Of course, you don't just have to use it for fires. This would make a great garden bed as well, so you can plant whatever you want in here. It went together really easily. They come in separate pieces and it comes with the wing nuts and you just assemble it. It also comes with gloves if you want to wear those to protect your hands. But within maybe 20 minutes, we had the whole thing put together. So it really doesn't take very long. This is a great way to keep your fire contained. Really easy to move around too, so you can put it anywhere you want. I like that this is going to last. It'll withstand the weather. I know that I'm going to get many seasons out of it. And so I'm really pleased with the quality. So if you're looking for something similar, whether for a campfire or for a garden bed, I think you'll be really pleased with this one. And that's my point of view.